my car. It's time to give my car a bath. After those ice storm and snowstorm and all the shit. So it's time to give a bath, a shower for my car. So it's gonna be there. So time to wash it. Time to give it a shower. So it's actually an automated car wash. So it cost me $16 to get through this automated car wash. And there's a guy who's guiding us. Put it in a neutral and it start the wash. Yay! Close everything. Make sure it's not gonna be no windows open. Yay! Look at that. So it's including the car wash, the wax. Scary, by the way. You. It's the hot wax. We're rinsing. Rinse it up. Now it's blowing. It's drier. It's probably. There you go. It's blowing it. It's a neutral. So when the light get green, you put your put on drive so you can drive. And there's a free towel. So I'm gonna get a towel to dry off my car. Okay, I'm gonna get a towel. Let's see. Towel is gonna be there. Actually, this is a good business because a lot of car really got dirty during snowstorm or ice storm. So, oh, I think we're gonna get a towel. It's over here. I'm gonna put my car here. It's also a free vacuum if you want to. You know. So, clean now. Just to wipe it. Wipe the excess water. It's really clean. good now. Alam mo na ano to, nahumpiang to eh, kasi nahulugan ng ano yan eh. Nahulugan ng bluki ng ice mula sa bubong. Kaya, nahupyak siya oh. Ganyan oh. Pero ano yan, i-claim ko yan sa insurance. So, aayusin yan ng insurance. Actually, ang ganda. Ano siya? Ang kintab talaga. Grabe. Kailangan lang talaga itong anuhin lang. Dito medyo ano lang to. Dito oh. Marumi. Dito taas. Marumi siya. Kailangan lang itawel. Ito dito oh. Kailangan pakiltamid yan. Para pag alis ko, malinis yung sasakyan ko. Nakaligo na siya. Oh. Looking good. Yay!